Alrighty, so this is another G-Shock. So yes, I purchased another G-Shock, but this one, you may think that it looks a little familiar because, hold on. Let me show you side by side. Yes, I'm not sure if both of them have the same module here. But yeah, this is literally the smaller brother of this one. So this one, I think I did a review about this watch a very long time ago, and I also did a video to show how to set the correct parameters for you to get the correct tide and moon phase based on your geographical area. And also that was a very old video. I'll put links maybe in the description box below if you're interested to know how to set the tide and the moon phase for your watch. So this one, essentially, it's a smaller version. And in fact, a couple of years back, I also purchased something similar in size. And yes, again, as I mentioned, they did not, they went away with the Baby G naming convention and they just went with the G-Shock. This one is a so-called half metal version, which I've, in a way, do some simple modification by brushing the bezel. This one, originally, the entire metallic bezel, it's high polish, it's too damn shiny for my taste, and it catches like grime and dirt very easily. And it can be remedied very easily by using a piece of Scotch-Brite and having a straight guide where you can remove the bezel from the watch, and then you just do an up and down motion for you to get that brushing level that you want. So again, I'll put the video in the description box below if you are interested. Okay, so this is how that small little G-Shock fits on my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeter wrist, and I would say it fits a lot better than the white one. And especially if you were to say that the white one, normally white watches, I don't know, or light colored watches, they tend to look bigger. So this one with that grayish case and all that, yeah, I think it fits way better. I wouldn't say that it's as small as a Casio F91, but yes, if you have a smaller wrist and you tend to like G-Shock and sometimes you feel that they are a little oversized for you, I would say this is a good choice. And given the price, I mean, I'm not paying retail for this, of course, it's quite affordable, surprisingly. And let's say if you do not like the clutter of the tide and the moon phase and all that stuff, they also have a basic version that is more like the OG G-Shock Square with the just time and date only function with alarm and all that. Yeah, if you're into that, yes, they also have that model, but I think the gray or it comes in a navy blue or a dark blue version. I do not think there is a gray. Maybe there is. I cannot remember. But yeah, you can check out the catalog, and yep, if you want to take a look at the model number again, this is it. It's GLX-S5600. So S, I think, is for the small version. And the module inside is 3559. Let's take a look at this to see what's the module inside here. This one is GLX-5600. Oh, yep, there it is. 3151. So this is not the same module. This is 3559. That one is 3151. But I think in terms of functionality, they look the same, right? Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for this video. If you're new to the channel, please help to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot, and I will come back with a full review. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.